Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So firstly we have to enter the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so simply tap on it. And now let's tap on this three dots icon. I know that here we've got quite a strange icon, but after tapping on it you can see that here we've got actually three dots icon. So let's tap on it and enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove it with only one click and also remove some advanced browsing data, just tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill form data, and site settings. Of course, you can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you'd like to remove, for example, saved passwords, just tap on it and make sure that they are marked. So let me remove actually everything and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been cleared. This history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed everything. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.